Have you ever been told on social media that you are not a real artist if you use reference in your artwork? Well, ignore them, no need to listen to that. Yo, I'm Jezz and let's talk about why you should use reference in your artworks. Luckily, I have never had someone tell me that I'm not a real artist if I use reference, but I've seen others get it. It was pretty big some time ago on Twitter, and I did not like hearing about it. The thing is, why should you not use reference for your artwork? How are we even gonna learn otherwise? Every day you wake up, you use reference. Your own face, your pet, and so on. Should we just close our eyes? Not easy to draw that way. Using reference don't only help you to draw, it even helps you to understand the anatomy. What's going on when you do a gesture or so on. I use reference every day in my works. I just can't put the stuff from my head on paper without it. One thing that even helps you better with this is figure drawing. Doesn't matter if you buy a ref pack off the internet or go to a workshop, you will learn the same thing no matter what. I was not a big fan of doing figure drawings, but I knew it will help me get better at drawings. But after I read Figure Drawing for Concept Artists, all that changed. I own multiple rough packs that I use in my artworks. You have seen the time-lapse going on right now, all based off reference for doing the figure drawings. Not using reference is just stupid. Once you've done the same thing multiple times, you don't need that reference anymore. It's in your head. We learn this way. Some faster than others. I really hope you will start using reference again if you stop, because you're not cheating. You are an amazing artist willing to learn. And thank you very much for watching the whole video. If you could smash that like button, will be awesome. It's helping the channel, I promise. If you want to talk about this or show off your art, join the Discord or Guilded server. I would love to see it. Until next time, happy drawing!